In a small town, Farmer Joe was losing his crops to a mysterious army. "It's like they're organized," he exclaimed to his friend Bob. Bob, scratching his head, replied, "Maybe they're just really hungry." Determined to save his farm, Joe devised a plan. He gathered his neighbors and armed them with brooms and pots. "We'll scare them off," he declared. As the sun rose, the townsfolk marched to the fields, only to find a flock of emus staring back. "They're just birds," Bob laughed. Joe sighed. "Well, at least they don't have guns."